Own this stunning home in the highly desired 55-plus community, Skyview Village. This ranch-style home has so much to offer and is move-in ready. Sun-drenched living room is incredibly spacious and boasts a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. Open floor plan seamlessly flows into the L-shaped eat-in kitchen with dining area, immense cabinet and counter space, double sink and stainless steel appliances. Gorgeous sunroom is the perfect spot to enjoy your morning coffee or reading a book at sunset. Lovely master suite has a great amount of space and has a full bath with a soaking tub and separate glass enclosed shower. Enjoy gardening in the luscious lawn or soaking up the sun. Settled just minutes from Brockton Country Club, White Pines Golf Course, Route 28, shopping and more. Call today.